What's up, guys? It's Anthony or Solo Assassin here. Good morning. It's a kind of a rainy, gloomy day out there right now. It's been a little while. Haven't really had too much content or anything like that, but today we're at work. It's a little bit slow and just kind of hanging out. But I do have my steering box spacer that I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and try and paint black with some black spray paint that's been sitting in my Jeep for a year and a half. We'll see if it works. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along with that. And here's the spacer before clean it up or do anything. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the wire wheel. Probably spray some brake cleaner on it, get some of the oils off, and try and clean it up. Alright, so here's one side all cleaned up. And that's the other side. Gonna go ahead and hit this side and try and degrease this. And then find somewhere to paint it. Alrighty, there we go. All nice and cleaned up. And just gotta clean up all the oil on it and then paint it. So hopefully we can figure that out pretty easily. Well, there's first side, a little bit of paint. I gotta go and drive a car, diagnose what the noise and vibration is. Then we'll come back and do this. It doesn't need to be too pretty. Just want to get some paint on it so it doesn't rust when we put it in. Alright guys, so it's the next day after we painted the steering box spacer for the XJ. I'm just here at work. This morning I had to run my boss's Cummins out to the other store to drop off some oil drums and a big like cattle guard bumper for him. And then today we've got this going on. We're doing some spark plugs on what is this, a 3.6 yep, 3.6 Traverse, Chevy Traverse. I believe it's 2017. Yep, 2017. And then we are also doing some intake manifold gaskets, and then we got to do front and rear brakes on this, and then we've got a couple other things lining up to do, so I'll probably bring you guys along for a little bit of that, and just kind of a little bit of a vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and we'll be getting to the XJ content soon, but I'll show you guys in a minute. I'll flip you around, but it's been raining a lot, and every evening when I get off work at 6, it's raining, so can't really do much. So this is how it's been the last like month and a half, honestly. It just always raining. Kind of unfortunate because the Jeep's sitting right there and we just haven't been able to work on her, but we'll get to her eventually. What's up, guys? This video has been all over the place. It's been about a week since that last clip, probably. But we're gonna be working on the XJ. I found something that has been causing me to not be able to cool down once my XJ starts getting hot, and that's that my electric fan is wired backwards, so it blows out of the grill. It blows this way out of it versus pulling air through, and so when I turn my fan on to try and cool down, when I'm running the AC or something like that, I can't cool down. My radiator probably has some stop leak and stuff in it from what I can see when you open the cap, so there's that, but definitely having my fan working properly will help a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and get these wires cut and splice them in the other way around and make sure it goes the right way. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. She's stuffing her nose in us. She's gonna get fucked up. nicely in here in this stuff. Don't say that. It's true. Here, jinx it. Alright. So red goes to black, black goes to red. That should be the right way for it to go. That piece of heat shrink is gone. You gotta pinch it first. These gotta go in, and then you pinch the center. That way the wires are connected together basically. And then you can melt it, and then use like heat shrink over it and melt it. Which I don't have. I gotta go find the lighter inside. But this would be good enough just so that way I can tell if this should be the right way. I swear I've checked this before to make sure that it was actually the right way, but I guess not. So 2 years of it overheating could have just been this. I mean, it shouldn't overheat without the, or like it shouldn't overheat even without this fan, but it's an old cooling systems. Alright, now let's see. And now it sticks like it's supposed to. So, I gotta go find a lighter, go ahead and melt those down, slide the heat shrink over them, tape the old splice up and the new splice, and be good to go. That's what it should be doing. I'll put a clip in of what it was doing before we did this. I really need to get heat down. You get real close to that. Bella. Bella. So, there you go. Like nothing ever happened. Now all we're gonna do is plug it in, and it should help a lot. I don't know if it's gonna stop the overheating issue, but yeah. Getting my wife to go and drive the XJ since she hasn't been able to ride in it or anything since it's been fixed. I like seeing it move, honestly. Dang, hot rod in it. I can hear it coming. Well, maybe she went down that other street over there, and then she'll come up this street, up our street. I can hear it. You guys can probably only hear that stupid plane up there. I can hear it. Maybe not. Maybe that was a go-kart. No, there she comes. No. She's playing. She turned on the blinker to come in the driveway. Alright, and has been Anthony. or Solo Assassin. If you guys are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated, and we'll talk to you guys later.